In this video, I'll show you how you can connect a wireless keyboard and mouse to your PS5 Pro. Now for some specific wireless keyboard and mouse, they usually come with a Bluetooth dongle that you can simply plug it into your PS5 Pro and connect it. So for this keyboard and mouse, they come with this Bluetooth dongle that can be easily used to connect to your PS5 Pro. All you have to do is connect that Bluetooth dongle to your PS5 Pro. So let me just connect it. And then once connected, you should see it appears at the top right corner, indicating that the keyboard and mouse have been detected. Now from here, you can now use your keyboard to navigate through the menu, as you can see. You can also play some games that support keyboard and mouse on your PS5 Pro. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.